Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow, log into your app, and suddenly all your application data is gone. Your user accounts, your customer records, everything. Just vanished overnight. Pretty terrifying, right? But don't worry, today I'm going to show you exactly how to make sure that never happens. We're diving into how to back up and restore your AppGini database. Now I get it. Talking about backups isn't exactly thrilling, but trust me, backups are one of those things you'll be so grateful for if you ever need them. Think of it like having an insurance policy for your data. You hope you never have to use it, but you'll be so relieved it's there if disaster strikes. The best part is, AppGini makes this process really simple with its built-in backup and restore features. So let's get started. First, let's make a backup of our database. I'm already logged in as an administrator on my AppGini app. From here, I'll head up to the top of the page and click on the admin area link. Once I'm inside the admin area, I'll look for the utilities menu. Under that, there's an option labeled Database Backups. That's what we want. Now we're on the Database Backups page. To create a new backup, just click the big blue button that says Create Backup File. AppGini will pop up a confirmation dialog. Here's something important. While the backup's running, your app goes into maintenance mode. But don't worry, unless you have a really massive database, it only takes a few seconds. I'll hit OK to confirm. And just like that, the backup is complete. You'll see it show up in the available backups list, along with the date, time, and size of your backup file. Super handy, right? You'll also notice AppGini displays the command it used to make the backup. This is really useful if you ever want to back up manually or set up automatic backups using scripts or cron jobs. Just remember the password in the command is hidden for your security, so if you use it somewhere else, you'll need to put in your own database password. Now, let's say something goes wrong with the database, or maybe you just want to roll back to an earlier version. Here's how you restore from a backup. Just like before, log in as an administrator and head to the admin area. Go to the Utilities menu and select Database Backups. You'll see your list of backup files. To restore, just find the backup you want and click Restore. AppGini will show another confirmation dialog. This time, pay close attention. Restoring a backup means all your current data will be replaced by what's in the backup. That includes user accounts, settings, everything. So make sure you really want to do this before you click OK. I'll confirm and wait just a moment while AppGini handles the restore. When it's done, the application automatically exits maintenance mode, and you'll see a message letting you know the restore was successful. Here's one last tip. Make it a habit to back up your database regularly, especially before you make any major changes or updates. You can even automate backups on your server with a cron job or a scheduled task, so you always have a recent copy just in case. And that's it. You've just learned how easy it is to back up and restore your AppGini database. Remember, backups are like insurance for your data. You hope you never need them, but you'll be so glad they're there if you do. If you have any questions, or if you need a hand with backups, just drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AppGini tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy backing up!